Sing along. We're gonna say singing and we do. DJ, hey. Yeah, what's up VIP? Shit, what's up others? Hi, how are you guys? Good to see you. Madam, you came with your children, eh? They are going to learn some shit today. How are you guys? Barara, make some noise. Come on, man. I last saw you almost 3 years ago. 3 years ago. I'm talking alcohol. Bananas. These are the people later on here say, oh my God, Salvador, your comedy is fun. I don't like to come back, she's there. You sleep, you wake up, she's there. That's why I got a child. My third born was born during COVID. Because you wake up, she's there. What do? You do. COVID came for us, I'm telling you. You people don't understand. Comedians, you could not work, no job, anything you do, police would come for you. We learned new tricks of surviving. The president said the only people who can do events are people getting married. Hey! The way we organize people's weddings. You people just get married so that we can perform for you. It was not easy. But I got my third born during COVID. I am a happy father of 3 now. The ones I'm aware of. They are 3. Hey! Being a father is nice, so how many of you have children? All of you. Do you know their fathers? All of us. It's about. Let me tell you. I remember when they had released this OTT tax. Yeah? Bobby Wine called me. Salvador. I said, eh? Oliwa. I said, Ndiwaka. Janguk Centenary Park. I mean, Ku Africana. I said, Wali Yochi. He said, you are one of the influential people in Uganda. Your voice will create movement. I said, for what? He said, this tax, the OTT tax, is going to affect us as musicians, as artists, as entertainers. I said, you are right. What do you need me for? He said, I need your voice so that we can say no to OTT. I drove my car to Hotel Africana. Conference with cameras. Hey, MTV, BBS. Hey, Radio West, TV West. Everybody was there. Wow. They started talking. There were ministers, MPs. They were like, this tax. Oh, wait. Now, my turn, I didn't know any political word. But everyone was talking, was saying the word impunity. I said, I will use it. They gave me the microphone when it was my turn. I said, this tax is an impunity on our rights. Hey, the next day on social media, people started praising me. Salvador, thank you for fighting for us. You are the leaders we need. You are the people who are inspiring. I said, how? Inspiration? Me? I was very excited. Next time Bobby Wine called me, I didn't even wait for the phone to ring. Come, hello, Rasta, Chechiriwo. He said, Salvador, I need you again. I said, for what? The same campaign. I said, where? He said, Centenary Park. I said, I'll be there. When I reached Centenary Park, I found 299 patrons outside. I said, today is a little bit different. But nevertheless, I entered. This time there was now international paparazzi, CNN, Al Jazeera, BBC, now the local ones, NTV. There were many people, ministers still. People started talking. Hey, this tax, what? They gave me the microphone. Said, this tax is an impunity on our rights. Hey, social media. Salvador, thank you for your consistency. You are being consistent. Thank you for fighting for our rights. Hey, inspiration. The third time, I'm the one who called Bobby Wine. Rasta Onjagalawa. He said, Salvador, I need you. I said, where? He said, we are taking it a notch higher. I said, where? He said, we are going to the streets. I said, to do what? He said, to protest. I said, okay. The day came. Everyone was in a red shirt. A-pass who? They were holding each other like this. This tax must go. This tax city square. This tax police came. The usual tear gas. people started running around. My phone was ringing non-stop. I picked it up and they said, Salvador, what's up? I said, nothing, what's up? He said, are you okay? I said, what do you mean? He said, we are here watching on TV, they are beating people of OTT. I said, even me, I'm watching. Mama, the next day people looked for my photos in the social media. Where is Salvador? They abused me. My God, Salvador, you a coward. Oh, no. Hey. Let me tell you, did you see how Bobby Wine escaped? Bobby Wine had bouncers. They came, when they put him in that police patrol, they came and broke the police patrol and then he ran outside. As he was running, a designer saw him from afar. Bobby, my president, come. As Bobby was approaching, the man got a shirt, got a jacket and a cape and gave him fitting, no measurement. Bobby Wine ran back towards the police. Now the problem, our police are all from the north. For them, they were chasing someone in a red shirt. He was putting on red. Bobby Wine bypassed them. Imagine me, Salvador, running. Tutakufa kila kitu tatomba alafu watu watalalala watalialia kila kitu tutakuwa mzuru Uhuru Kenyatta very nice. Then they speak English. Ding, ding. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Kenya Airways flight number KQ416 traveling from Entebbe to Nairobi. Our flight time shall be 6 minutes. Very nice. Rwanda Air, the same thing. They first speak in Rwanda, then they speak English. As soon as the doors close here, ding ding. Orahoneza. Amakuru yawa mafaranga, amakuru habarahaje rubarabanga, amahoro hamahanje burahanga Paul Kagame. Amahingi baharahango masahanze buragara. Very nice. Uganda. Which tribe is going to represent us? Bachiga, never. You'll make us lose business. Bachiga, very rude. Mchiga will come and say, sit down, Kumanyo. Put on your seatbelt to mouth if you don't want to read it. Aye. Which other tribe? Batoro cannot. All the flights will delay. Greeting alone is 2 hours. I chari nikorora kureva. I wojoruka tiwahea. Arakiruku ravri. Before you know it, ding ding, we have delayed by 2 hours. Which other tribe? Banyankole. Banyankole, never. You are very arrogant. The Banyankole hostess will come and say, hey. You people are many. You are many. You keep on complaining of government. Well, where do you get this money? Anyway, feel free. Sit, relax. See? Put on your seatbelt. If you don't want to leave it, we gave you peace. What more do you want? Very arrogant. We cannot. Who else? Basoga cannot. First of all, they will both the wrong. You are not jolly. You with your light skin. Ask your father who your mother is, or ask your mother who your father is. Lies. First of all, you see, for us in the north, the more we talk, the more emotional we become. First of all, we have no clue what we are doing, but we will be there. The guy will come. Okay, you sit down. Welcome aboard Uganda Airlines flight number 400. They don't say zero, eh? Number 400. Flying from Entebbe to... We are flying from Entebbe. We are... Hold on. Pilot, we are going where? Nairobi. Not Juba. Juba was yesterday. Oh, okay. But we should go to Juba next time. Apparently, we are going to Nairobi. So you sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. Put on your seatbelt, then they start getting emotional. Because if you don't put on the seatbelt, anything will happen to you. Me, I don't care whether I put on the seatbelt or not. The government has already spoiled my future. I was supposed to become an engineer, but I'm here talking, shouting like a madman. I don't understand even what I'm doing here. That's why you will never find actually tailors. The ones who, you see, when you miss a flight, it is the airline's responsibility to inform you. If they don't inform you and you come to the airport, it is their responsibility to check you into a hotel. And then they present the next available flight. That can't happen in Uganda. Imagine, he's an actually tailor. First of all, he himself doesn't know that they have cancelled the flight. You'll be there, you arrive. Hello, sir. Welcome. So thank you. Where are you going? So I'm going to Mombasa. You are not going to Dar es Salaam. You said, no, I'm going to Mombasa. You look like somebody going to Dar es Salaam. Bring your passport. This is you? You say, yes, sir, this is me. Here you looked a little bit handsome. I don't know what happened. So you are going to Dar es Salaam? You say, no, Mombasa. I was just checking whether you are consistent. You are alone? Say, yes, clearly I'm alone. Say, yeah, how would I know? Maybe your friend has gone to the toilet. Do you have any luggage to check in? You say, yes. Okay. Check in. Check the luggage. Do you want to sit on the window or the aisle? You say, I would prefer the window. Out at me. These are the questions I'm supposed to ask you. Then now he realizes the flight has been cancelled. Hold on. Nalumasi, this flight, the one of Mombasa, has been cancelled. Say, hey. Look, sir. Sir, sorry, this flight has been cancelled. Then why did you waste my time? I should have been doing other things. Well, he said, you see, if you had gone to Dar es Salaam, you would have been on the flight right now. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. My name is Salvador. Have a blessed night.